Good morning,
Hi,
Bali.
good morning. So now we arrive in Sila Yukti Temple in Padang Bay area. So we will pray, guys. Wow, it's
So
quite hot.
It's 32 or 33 degree
Yeah.
and sunny day as usual.
Yeah.
So quiet here. And this is completely non-touristic temple, but it's
Yeah.
very nice, very simple and very nice in the same time. And
Yeah.
so we will see how it is today.
Alright, so this is the second temple. Before we already there in the Sila Yukti Temple, and now this is Pura Payagan Temple. This is the second temple with the view of the ocean.
I will show you guys. Okay, so we is after
Alright.
praying.
Yes, I just already finished praying. So as you see behind us over there, that's the Padang Bay port, and then that's where the that the boat going to Gili, going to Lombok. We will see later, and we will ask about how the updates going to Gili or going to Lombok.
Yes. where we are now, this is the harbor going to Gili Islands and Lombok, and as you can see, it's totally closed because, well, travel between islands is still not allowed, so it's very, very quiet over here.
Yeah, and then we don't know yet when it will be open, so it's still, until further notice from the government, still closed.
Yes, until further notice from the government.
Yeah, you see over there the boat is sinking because yesterday there is a big boat coming from Lombok and then it's sinking. Something happened to the big boat.
Yeah, I fly my drone over there, so I will show you guys. Okay, that will be enough for today's vlog. Winnie, Prey and being already in Padang Bay, we decided to gonna make today's vlog over here. And thank you for watching and see you tomorrow as usual.
Bye, see ya.